Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 4, algorithmic strategies. What is an algorithm? It is a step-by-step procedure for solving a given problem. It's called algorithm. Now look at the example for algorithm. If you want to prepare a cup of coffee, so now we have to know what are the ingredients we needed to make coffee. Those are called input. The process of making coffee is the next one. So finally we'll get a cup of coffee. It is an output. So these steps, when we are going to do some task, we have a finite set of instructions. Those instructions are called algorithms. Are you clear? So algorithm is a finite set of instructions to accomplish a particular task. This is the characteristics of an algorithm. An algorithm must have input, output, finiteness, definiteness, effectiveness, correctness, simplicity, unambiguous, feasibility, portable, and independent. An algorithm may have 0 or more input. An algorithm must produce at least one output. An algorithm must have finite number of steps. A step-by-step instruction should be followed in an algorithm. Definiteness. An algorithm, all the operations should be defined clearly. Effectiveness. Every instruction should be carried out effectively. Correctness. An algorithm should be error-free. Simplicity. An algorithm should be easy to implement. Unambiguous. It should be clear and give only one meaning. Feasibility. It should be feasible with available resources. So resources available for the program, that is feasible. Feasible means easy to do. Portable. Algorithm should be common, independent of programming language and operating system. So algorithm is independent of programming languages means it can be write for C++ program, Java program or any Python program. It doesn't depend on any particular program language. That is meaning for portable. Last one is independent. It should be independent of any programming code. So algorithm is for human purpose. It should be clear and meaningful. It should declare the steps how to carry out the particular task. So these are the characteristics of an algorithm. Now we are going to know the difference between algorithm and program. Look at the table. Algorithm helps to solve a given problem logically and it can be contrasted with the program. Program is an expression of algorithm in a programming language. That means algorithm is a step-by-step instruction. Anyone can write. But program follow source code. A programmer only can write programs. Second one, algorithm can be categorized based on their implementations, method, design techniques. Program is implementation of an algorithm by structured or object-oriented programming approach. In an algorithm, it follows some steps. So get input, follow the steps, and then produce output. It is algorithm. It is a step-by-step method. But in a program, we have to use syntax to write a program in any particular language. Is it clear? This is the continuation of differentiation between algorithm and program. There is no specific rules for algorithm writing, but guidelines should be followed. Program should be written for the selected language with specific syntax. So to write an algorithm, we need not to follow any particular rules, but we use correct steps. In a program, we must follow the particular programming language rules. For example, in C++ program, if we want to get an output, we use cout keyword, and insertion symbol and extraction symbol we have to use when we give an input to the program or get output of the program. But in algorithm, we need not to follow any specific rules. Last point. Algorithm resembles a pseudocode which can be implemented in any language. So pseudocode is also a form of algorithm, but in a simple language. So it can be understood by anyone, even though they don't know about any computer language, they can easily understand what they have given. That is called pseudocode. We have already learned in previous year. It follows a simple language. A program is more specific to a programming language. A program